Hello, welcome back to this lesson. Now, on the last lesson, we talked about iframe, and then we did all this work. Now, in this lesson, we are going to talk about the head. That here, we're going to talk about it more in depth so you understand more about it. So let's begin. One thing about this head section, as you all know, it's what contains meta information. Um, for for you that doesn't understand my accent, this is what I mean, meta information. You know, so it contains like and everything that is in between this content here, this tag, sorry, this will not show to the user. The only thing that will show to the user things that are here between the body. This is just for the browser. This is for the back end of what the browser will process. As you all know, this one is the title of the page, and we have also a thing called meta. This one, meta information, right? Um, oh, you saw that as soon as I put this tag, this display, this default, it just automatically was displayed. Now this one is the default chassis for web development. This means that the this is the Unicode that has all type of symbols and everything you use in HTML, either like this pound or the dollar sign, percentage, letter, so on and so forth. So if you say UTF-8, so it means it just comprised of all the symbols, so the browser knows which character sets to use. That's why you use this default, so the browser knows which, because there are older version that were in place, but the most recent one we are using right now, it's UTF-8. So the other one that is worth knowing is this one here. Let me show you. So we can here, let's do this and just say name. So the name, let's put the description, and we say the content, and we say e-learning, right? So this one describe the content of your website. Let's say our website Help Me, or it's an e-learning platform. You can put it. If your website is a newsletter, if it's any type of content that is on your website, this is for browser purposes. So the browser, when it indexes, you already know what your website is about, right? These are very key information. This is for search engine, so they index. So when somebody type for e-learning or some things like that, your website will pop up on the search results. And we have also this thing. Hold on, oh Lord. There's keywords. Name keywords, right? And then here we can just the content, and so on the keywords we can just say HTML5, Java, CSS, so on and so forth. So these are the keywords for our website. So when somebody type in their chat, like they say, and for instance, HTML tutorial, the fact that we have HTML here, our website is likely to pop up on the chat results, right? And we also have another meta information that we can put that is known as the name. So this is where you put the author, content session shape. So as you know, this is the name of the owner of the website or the company, the author, say it's where you put your name, right? And we have another thing also, this one, meta, we just put HTTPS equivalent, so fresh, the content, you just say content, let's say 20 or 25, it doesn't matter. So what this one means is that the website, document website will refresh every 20 seconds. So refresh for new content. Like if your website is a blog website or news, something like you have new content. So when people are, that's why when you go to some website, even if you are there, you see content automatically refresh, like they come onto you, they pop up and those things. It's because of this thing you have here. So, and we have also this thing also with the meta. See meta. We see name, view ports, content. You can say width equals to device width initial scale. Okay, sorry, scale as 1.0. Okay, yeah. So what this one does is that it's for your, like the viewpoint, it's makes your website when it loads either on a phone, especially on a phone. This is very important, especially on a phone. It makes your website, like the content, to display very well. You see, like when you go to some websites, you will notice that the content, you have to browse left and right because the thing doesn't display very well. It doesn't like fit onto the screen because of those old type of websites. They don't have this. They are not that responsive. This is for responsive purpose. It makes your website to be responsive. You understand? Let me show you. That's why here, let's me connect into my internet. You see here, you see, that's why this is the phone side. That's why you see our website, it displays very well, isn't it? It's a phone because the viewpoint is set to this viewpoint is set to 1.0, so it's scalable, so that's the purpose of that. And the other thing also, on this end, we can, as you already know, we can put so many things. There's so many things. We can also put something called like scripts, like JavaScript. We can write an internal JavaScript here. We can write it here, and we can also have a link. We already learned that. We have some link to CSS, either internal or external CSS. Some kind of styling, either Google fonts, some things like that. We can link them. So that will be it all for this tutorial. I hope you understand. And if there's anything you want me to go over, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. After seeing the next lecture, take care.